today's video. We are going to be doing a Sephora and Ulta haul today. I feel like there has just been so many new releases coming out constantly, and obviously I wanted to pick some of them up to test them out, and I did get a few things from each Sephora and Ulta, so I figured that's what we could do today. There is currently a blizzard happening here in New York, so I just put on a comfy sweatshirt. I figured this would be a just chill, informal, casual type of video. Before we get into the video, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Estee, and on my channel we discuss everything in the beauty world and sometimes some other things. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get into this haul. Let's go ahead and start with Sephora, because one of the first things that I am so excited to have got my hands on is this new Jo Malone perfume. Let me open it up. So here is their new perfume. It's called Scarlet Poppy. I cannot get over this beautiful red packaging. This is actually one of their cologne intense, which is interesting because usually their usual cologne intense packaging is black with the silver sticker, and this one is all red. It's like so chic. So I do want to spray. This will be like a first impression of this scent. Okay, so I did one spray. I want to wait for it to dry down a bit, and then what I want to do is smell it, let you know what I think, and then actually read what the notes are. So obviously this is called Scarlet Poppy, so I guess it's supposed to be like a floral. I honestly do not remember what it's described as online at all. It's definitely powdery. Maybe there's some like amber or amberette in there. It smells like a sweet and powdery floral, but it's a very light floral, and it's a very light sweetness. I would definitely say that this is more of like a fall winter scent, or maybe like an evening spring summer scent. I honestly love the way it smells. It smells very feminine, very, very soft. It's like a sweet, soft, powdery, very soft floral type of scent. Wow, I really like this. So the description is a warm floral. Key notes are amberette, which I said, scarlet poppy, and tonka bean. The notes compared to how it smells, pretty spot on. If you like amber scents, amberette scents, powdery scents, you will like this. If you do not like powdery scents, you will not like this. It is quite powdery. I love powdery scents, so I love it, but just wanted to give you that heads up. Moving on, I saw that Sephora released a new foundation called Best Skin Ever. It says that this is a long wear, perfect natural finish foundation, and I believe it's supposed to have a medium coverage. And I just figured I would pick this up for a Foundation Friday now that I started doing Foundation Fridays and test this out. I got the shades 24N and 26N. Let me take them out of the plastic and I'll swatch them for you. Here are the swatches. Right here is 24N and here is 26N. I think 24N will be perfect for me. I think everything I got from Sephora was a new release. So next up I have the new NARS Soft Matte Tinted Lip Balms. I got them in two shades. I got them in Brief Encounter and Unrestricted. So I was really intrigued when I saw this because I love lip balms and I love tinted lip balms. But I mean, usually tinted lip balms are just not long lasting. So I figured that if they were matte, maybe they would be more long lasting. So we shall see. Here are the swatches. This shade is Brief Encounter, which is kind of like a brownish nude. And up here is Unrestricted, which is almost like a pinky plum. So as I swatch these, I will say that they had a really kind of cool texture. They definitely felt like a matte balm, and I don't know, they're kind of almost like a sheer matte lipstick is how they feel. So I'll have to test these out and see obviously how they wear and how they feel on the lips. Rare Beauty came out with a whole new Stay Vulnerable collection, and of course I wanted it all, but I had to keep it to one thing. So I actually picked up their liquid eyeshadow in the shade Nearly Neutral. And when I saw the swatches of this shade and the formula, I watched some like YouTube videos about it of like people trying it out. Ooh, I love this packaging, by the way. So cute. I was like, I don't know, maybe this will be sort of like a two-in-one product that I can use on my lips as well. I know obviously it's made for the eyes, but you never know. Let me swatch this and see how the color looks like. Here is the Rare Beauty swatch in Nearly Neutral. It's actually darker than I thought it would be, and it's a little bit more red than I thought. I thought it was going to be more of like a brown nude, but it's definitely more of like a rosy nude. And then I also picked up a new setting spray. I got the Benefit the Professional Super Setter. I just thought this was interesting. I feel like the Benefit Professional Primer is like such a holy grail, and it used to be a holy grail of mine so long ago, like such a long time ago. So when I saw that they came out with a setting spray, I just decided to get the mini. I don't know, I was like super intrigued by it, and it's supposed to help lock on makeup, soften the look of pores, and feels lightweight. So really that selling point was soften the look of pores. So I kind of wanted to get this because it sounded like a similar description to the Makeup Forever Light Velvet Air setting spray that is like my holy grail mattifying setting spray, because that's one of those setting sprays that you put it on and your pores are like softened and they disappear. So when I saw that claim, I was like, yes, I definitely need to try this out. So this, the Rare Beauty, the Sephora foundations, and the NARS Matte Lip Balm, I think that when I do the Foundation Friday and film the video on the Sephora foundation, I'll probably try out these other products as well. So definitely be on the lookout for that. All right, moving on to my Ulta purchase, which is super heavy because I just got like big bottles of things. First up, there is no surprise here. I got 2 more of my Clinique Colada body wash. This is my Holy Grail body wash. It was buy one, get one 40% off. So I just picked up 2. Usually it's buy one, get one 50% off. So I didn't want to pick up like more than that because I wanted to wait till it's 50% off. And I go through these so quickly. Next up, I got a few skincare items. So the first thing I got is the Coats, I guess how you say this brand, Sensitive Non-Tinted SPF 40 Gentle Zinc Oxide. So I've been looking for a really good zinc sunscreen, and previous to this I was wearing a chemical sunscreen, but my dermatologist told me for my perioral dermatitis and my acne, zinc is just better, and I read really good reviews on this. I also ordered the Ulta MD one that I feel like everyone loves, but that has not come in the mail just yet, but I'm super excited to try that out as well, and I'm excited to try this out too. I really hope it doesn't have too bad of a white cast. That's my issue with zinc sunscreens, which I think is everyone's issue with zinc sunscreens, but like I said, I had really good reviews. I also picked up 2 moisturizers. So I've been looking for a really good nighttime moisturizer. For the daytime, I just use the CeraVe one. I think it's just like the moisturizing lotion. Like I feel like it's like the regular one. And at nighttime, I usually use the Youth to the People Adaptogen cream. That has been like my holy grail, but the perioral dermatitis does not like that cream. It doesn't like make it sting or itch or anything like that, but it kind of just makes the area a little bit more red. So I need to find something else. So I got the Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream. I feel like so many people love this. People who have perioral dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, like any type of skin issue, a lot of people love this. So I decided to give this a try. And then a lot of people also really love this La Roche-Posay Lipicar AP Plus Balm Intensive Repair Moisturizing Cream. This you can use for your face or your body, and it doesn't have a fragrance. So when I got this, I was just like, when the package came in, I was just looking at the ingredients, and I noticed that this does have fragrance. I don't really know why. And then I tried Googling like a fragrance-free version, and I guess they don't make a fragrance-free version. Now, it does say that the perfume is from natural essential oils. No. I do not like essential oils. The skin does not work with essential oils. That being said, I'm still gonna give this a try. I'll keep you all updated on like all of these things that I try, like eventually in future videos to come. I'm super excited to try this out. It says National Eczema Association. I'm really hoping that one of these are good for me. And then the last skincare item I got is the Ordinary 100% Niacinamide Powder. This was only like $5 or $6. I didn't see any reviews when I bought it. I knew this was new, and I didn't really hear anyone talk about this just yet. But I don't know, this really intrigued me. I feel like my skin is so reactive and it's so sensitive, but niacinamide has always been an ingredient that has not irritated my skin. So I decided to, oh, it comes with like a little scooper. I decided to pick this up. Ooh, that has a smell. And did I get like a defective jar? Because this is, I mean, you can't really tell, but this is only filled up halfway. So I wonder if it's supposed to be like that. I don't know why I keep going to smell it. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks like sugar or salt or something like that. So yeah, hopefully this works for me. I hope it can brighten some of my acne scars and reduce my oily T-zone and all that good stuff that I love about niacinamide, so we shall see. All right, what else is in this box? I got the Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. I actually picked up 4 of these because I cannot shade match online. I don't know who can shade match online. Like, let me know if you can. Anyways, I got a few of these. When you are seeing this video, a full Foundation Friday 10-hour plus wear test is already up on my channel, so I'll link that down below and up here somewhere if you're interested in seeing that. But spoiler alert, I absolutely love this. And last but certainly not the least, I got the Ellis Brooklyn Library set. So Ellis Brooklyn is a fragrance brand, and I feel like some of their fragrances are really popular. Like Myth by them is really popular. West by them is really popular, and their full-size bottles I want to say are in the like $100 range, and I've been wanting to try them out. Every time I go to like my Sephora, or I know Ulta carries them, I actually don't know if Sephora carries them, but when I was in my Ulta I was like dying to smell them and get a tester. But every time I see them in a store, the testers are always empty, so it's like, okay, clearly people love this. So this was 27 bucks. I just decided to get the whole set and try them all out and see what I like, because I'm also working on a spring fragrance video, and I have a lot that I love, but I figured that I just wanted to try something new. If any of you have tried out this brand or just like any perfumes in general that are a really good spring scent, definitely let me know down below in the comments. You all already know how much I am like a fragrance perfume addict, and I'm always looking to try new ones. All right, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.